Traveling with a baby can be a daunting task, especially when it comes to packing, but it doesn't have to be expensive. In this video, we're going to explore essential baby travel gear that won't break the bank. We'll uncover the must-have items that will keep your little one comfortable and happy while you're on the go. Diapering is a necessity, especially when traveling. A spacious diaper bag is crucial for carrying all the essentials. Don't forget travel-sized wipes for quick cleanups, and of course, a good supply of diapers. Look for affordable diaper brands and consider investing in reusable cloth diapers. These can save you money in the long run, and they're better for the environment. Feeding on the go requires a bit of planning. Portable bottles make feeding easy, and a travel-sized bottle warmer is a lifesaver for keeping milk at the right temperature. For formula or breast milk, pack a cooler bag to keep everything cold. As your baby gets older, reusable food pouches are a great option for easy-to-carry snacks. They're perfect for purees, yogurt, or even small pieces of fruit. When it comes to clothing, pack versatile pieces that can be layered for different temperatures. A lightweight stroller or carrier is essential for easy transport. It allows you to navigate airports, sidewalks, and even uneven terrain without hassle. To save money, consider looking for used or gently used strollers and carriers online. There are many great options available at affordable prices. Keeping your baby entertained on the go is crucial. Pack a few of their favorite toys, books, and a travel-friendly activity mat to provide stimulation and comfort. For a safe and familiar sleeping space, consider a portable crib or playard. These provide a secure environment for your baby to rest, even when you're away from home.